We're fixing up these trucks. Looks like they're having me tear off this whole bumper. I've been cutting this off all day. Trying to get behind here because the hydraulics are all hooked up. So got to get this cut off and hooked onto the new piece once we get it all fabbed up. It's just some 9-inch channel. It's not tough. Be able to copy the light pattern, save this piece, and use it as a template. But yeah, build new hoops for the hydraulics and new steps. Everything's just got a heavy layer of rust, but I mean, it's a $500,000 truck and the frame's still pretty solid, and it just got DOT'd and it passed, so we're good. We're gonna fix up the steps, make this bumper a little bit more beefy. And we've just been cutting this off all day, and we got it to where it's wiggling around. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish it up, get some material. Break that off of there. Finish disconnecting this piece from here. It's connected back here. You just have to cut this back here from here. And fab up a new piece. Whole new rear light bar, bumper. Check back when we get our material together. Well, I got that bumper off, cut out that light bar, disconnected it from the hydraulic frame, and got back to my shop, bought some material, got the circles cut out for the lights, got all the layout done. And then we got snowed out, so just waiting on that.